Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to give you a look at this 2-in-1 oil dispenser spray bottle. This has such a sleek and appealing design with lots of functionality. It has a nice long handle for easy and comfortable use, and it has a gentle press trigger, as well as a simple switch on top to control whether the bottle opens to drizzle oil or just stays locked so you can tilt the bottle to spray without worry of pouring the oil out. The switch is clearly labeled with open and lock so you can be sure of how it's set. When you use the spray feature, you want to make sure you press the trigger fully for the best spray experience. So let's get it filled up and try it out. The lid twists on and off smoothly, and the inside has a silicone seal to stop any kind of leaking. I love that this has a glass bottom and it's marked so you can know how much you have or how much you need to replenish. I am truly impressed with the way this can spray the oil. It does such a good job, and having the option to simply pour it is super handy. This will be great for all kinds of cooking, whether it's to saute like I am, whether it's to bake or even grill. I think you would love having this in your kitchen. So if you were looking for a wonderful oil dispenser with a spray function, this is such a great choice. I hope you love it as much as I do.